It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 2nd of April. I'm Michael Groff. Big thank you to Michelle for stepping in and doing the weather video yesterday. I'm not really into April Fool's gags or jokes. It's just something a little different, an April surprise, something to change up the sound of the video, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed it, so thank you very much, Michelle, for doing that. Now, Mother Nature had an April Fool's surprise for us yesterday, also in the form of an upper low coming through that triggered some mid-level instability, a few showers, isolated thunderstorms across southeast California, the lower Colorado River Valley, and even a couple of storms that managed to sneak into the Phoenix metro area overnight. No measurable rain reported with any of that, a couple of flashes of lightning, and that was about it. But today we will see dry weather continue and a return to mostly sunny conditions, and we'll see that warming trend coming in for the weekend and that chance that we could see our first 100-degree day of the year, the first of many. We'll talk about that and everything else going on in just a moment. But first, yes, it's Friday, so that means it's Photo Friday, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted. This first one is from David Parnell. This was taken last Friday afternoon near 51st Avenue and Northern. Great shot there. The one and only Michelle, she did the video yesterday and took this picture at Casino Arizona at Talking Stick when we were there on Sunday. And that's beautiful. And then this gorgeous picture right here is courtesy of Chris Martin from up in Ash Fork yesterday afternoon as the atmosphere began to destabilize with that upper low coming in. And they might have had a few showers up there in central Arizona yesterday afternoon, and maybe just a little bit of that rain actually reached the ground, although probably not. All right, so if you want to get in on Photo Friday, you can do so. groffshow@gmail.com. That's my email address. It's groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, check out the almanac from yesterday. It was a warm one, 95 degrees the afternoon high, 63 was the morning low, and as mentioned, no rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor. The normal high 81, the normal low 56, and those will be rocketing upward as we move through April. And looking outside right now, here just before 7 a.m., scattered clouds out there right now, 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 28, relative humidity 20%, winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area this morning, thanks to the clouds we had overnight, yeah, they were held way up. These are numbers that we would see typically in late May, not early April. We've got 60s, even some 70s on the board. How about 76 right now in Buckeye? So you know it's going to be a warm day today, although probably not quite as warm as yesterday thanks to that little wave moving through. The upper air look this morning does show that weak wave moving through central and eastern Arizona this morning, and that might spawn a couple of high-based showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain today, but that'll be about it, and then high pressure will become the dominant feature thereafter. Here's the watch warning map. Yes, we still have freeze warnings from Missouri and Arkansas eastward into the deep south, as very cold air has plunged into that region thanks to a surface boundary. And the convective outlook, no severe weather expected across the country. Again, maybe a little bit of thunder over in the far eastern mountains and up along the eastern rim, and that's it. And the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC, rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much. And again, with that little low, a trace, maybe a couple of hundredths of an inch is all we can hope for in the mountains. All right, so let's take a look at modeling, see what's going on with this weather pattern. How hot is it going to get? We'll talk about it as we look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that low across central and eastern Arizona today, moving out. A westerly flow otherwise. So down at the surface today, some clouds around this morning will become mostly sunny this afternoon. Not quite as warm as yesterday. Highs upper 80s and low 90s. That's still above average, though. Tonight, we're clear, we're dry. Overnight lows, upper 50s to mid 60s. And then tomorrow, sunny, warmer highs, mid to possibly upper 90s. Easter Sunday, high pressure firmly in control. And this could very well be the hottest day we've had so far this year. Highs, mid to upper 90s. We're going with a range of 96 to 99 on our forecast. But the national blend of models is giving us more than a 50-50 chance of hitting the triple digits here in Phoenix, and certainly some desert spots will. And just for those of you wondering, yes, it has been 100 degrees on Easter Sunday one other time. That was April 15th of 1990. Otherwise, high temperatures of 95 plus on Easter Sunday are pretty rare. I think they've only happened 2 other times, so this will be kind of unusual. On Monday, a few clouds, but we're still hot and dry. High temperatures mid to upper 90s, an area of low pressure moving on to the Pacific Northwest coast. That system begins to traverse eastward into Idaho on Tuesday. There may be a surface front that moves through Arizona at that time, bringing temperatures down several degrees. Highs likely back in the mid to upper 80s. It will be breezy, partly sunny, but again, not expecting any precipitation or any weather of significance other than those breezes. Wednesday, I'd say mid to upper 80s again, with the sky mostly sunny to partly cloudy. And Thursday, upper 80s to near 90, the sky mostly sunny, the air continues to be dry. Here's a week from today. This is Friday, the 9th of April. Shortwave ridge here over the southwest, a westerly flow in place, a few clouds, highs pretty close to 90. And as we go out 10 days, this is Sunday, the 11th of April, big trough on the east coast and negative height anomalies there. And another system approaching the west coast, and that could be a weather maker for us way out there and bring in some cooler temperatures. But at this point, we're still looking warm and dry, high temperatures at or above average. All right, looking at rainfall for the Phoenix area. This is coming off of the European Ensemble. A few members tried to show some rain this morning, and that's not going to happen. Otherwise, the ensemble mean is around 1/100th of an inch through the 16th of April. So we are not going to see any rain at all anytime soon. And that's pretty typical here, as April, May, and June are the 3 driest months on the calendar in Phoenix. Temperatures off the national blend of models. Yeah, there's that 99 on Easter Sunday. And again, more than a coin flip's chance we make it to 100 degrees. So get ready for that. And then we will gradually lower temperatures as we go into next week, although not significantly. I'd say highs probably get a little cooler than what's shown here, but not by much. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video scheduled for Monday morning. Of course, updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool out there this weekend, drink plenty of water, and have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.